Hey,
You make this beat,
bitch. I last 290 shit, nigga. You know I'm rocking, nigga. Get your guns up, get your phones up. You on that op shit, get mop stick, bitch. No hooks. Hey, 48 solid game, catch a body game. Hey, hey, hey. I dropped out of school, started selling dog food. Kept the biggest pistol even though I was a small dude. I get your block hot. 50 shots out this AK. You diss on my name, you get smoked on the same day. We do a hit, we hit your block the same way. You niggas broke, tell me how y'all wanna gang bang. Riding around with two baby Ninas, I felt like Max Payne. Serving cane, baby, I'm trapping, I'm selling everything. I gotta watch my back. I know these niggas after give me, so I bought a Mac. You better know I got it with me. Bag on your head, it's a meal ticket. Stunning on these niggas, they don't like it, gotta deal with it. Pillow talk the bitch, you know she still let me hit it. Pistol to the party, security let me in with it. I pop love on block, bitch, I'm Huey with this effing in the cruise out the block. When I'm listening to minute, if you up, we gon' put this hot shit on you. I got 30 shots, make me put this mop stick on you. Laser beams, make it think chicken pox was on you. You get robbed, now we going in them pockets on you. He a pimp, but he's bitchin', he put sockets on you. I love fucking thick bitches, I bust skinny bitches too. Love round 26 rap, 24 too. How much size would you take alive? Would you really shoot? You on some tough shit, we on some young shit. Let us do 100 niggas jump, yeah, that's 200 feet stomping you. Treat a nigga like you really made me put this pump on you. Went from recording out the closet room and using fruity loops. Man, kid, wonder bitch, you always had the juice. Let this tag loose, all over your head like moose. I got my call 45, catch you on some drunk shit. I collect checks from these hoes on my Don Juan shit. Got the check, fucked it off like it really want shit. A lot of niggas run their mouth, they don't really run shit. You ain't did what I did, bitch, I never done shit. Smoking gold piss, that shit that had me high. One hit, you wanna rap, even tell fairy tale about me. Real street, nigga, I got all these killers around me. Fake ass nigga, how could you be real around me? And if I'm hungry, bitch, you better not eat a meal around me. Hard shells, it's your soft shells, and your ground beef. Flipping work, you do cartwheels when it's round me. She can swim, she gon' fuck around and drown around me. I'm the center niggas, give me the rebound around me. All the pussy niggas try to smile when I come around.
That was short damage, see that here? Yeah, pushing it. Hey, Dark Flame, you're still through tabs, just saying.
Put some muscle when you grind down the line, you'll see. I was young, always kept a beeper on the side of me. Leaving school every second just to go and sell repeat. I had good grades cause I used to sell my teacher weed. Put my Dre beats on, then I hit the studio. Spit it straight dope, I put fentanyl on the flow. Baby, I'm a pimp, I break out the laws on the hoe. Fuck up one thing, get ghost, go a wall on the hoe. Heavy trapping, so I put some burglar bars on the dope. 22 Glock loaded up with 22 shots, but it's not, bitch, I stacked up every angle in the pot. All these rap niggas actors, always claiming shit they not. Pick my brothers on my bankroll, covered up with snot, she ain't let me, but she let me now. Since I'm getting guap, since I'm getting funds, hoes say I'm acting funny now. All my niggas rob, boy, you better not pull your money out. Greased in the head and thought that I would pull a bunny out. It's a hot car, only drive it when it's sunny out. They was laughing at me, I don't think they think it's funny now. Black and yellow bumblebee, I parked it at my honey house. Bitch, I'm from Chicago, I be all across the country now. Sleeping on the pallet, man, but when I lived in granny house, I had ambition and intuition to make it out. It was rough for me, other rappers took the safer route. Being hard-headed made me really wanna listen now. Thinking about the shit I could've had, but I was missing out. Old head, lay some knowledge on you if you hear it out. Say the game should be sold, but to me they give it out. Call my plug for them birds, he gon' bring the pigeons out. Used to have a girlfriend, I fuck plenty women now. I'm not a mini man, I won't give a hoe a minute now. At my trap house, dope fiends running in and out.